You ever walk into your room, look around, and think, wow, I live like this? Yeah, same. Welcome to Cleaning 101, for people who are one dirty sock away from a full existential crisis. Let's get your life mildly together. Tip 1, the sniff test. Pick up that shirt, smell it. If it smells like a locker room marinated in stress, it's dirty. Bonus tip, if your socks make a crunch noise, you've gone too far. Call the authorities, or, do your laundry. Tip 2, the does this spark regret test. That hoodie you bought in 2016 because you thought you were a skater, you're not. If you haven't worn it in a presidential term or two, it's not vintage. It's just sad. Donate it, thank it for its service, and move on. Tip 3, surface wipe downs. Clean like you're erasing every awkward text, every overshare, every you up you regret sending. That table didn't ghost you, but it deserves better. Tip 4, under the couch is another dimension. What is that? Is it a raisin? A petrified French fry? A cursed artifact? Doesn't matter. Trash it. Immediately. No eye contact. Tip 5, trash math. If it takes less than 30 seconds to throw away, do it now. That granola bar wrapper on your nightstand? Yeah, I see it. So do your ancestors. Toss it. Tip 6, make it a party. Put on music. Pretend you're in a montage. Vacuum like you're on a dance show. Sing into the broom like it's karaoke night. Whatever it takes to trick your brain into fun. Final tip, stop aiming for perfection. Aim for progress. Your room doesn't need to look like a Pinterest board. It just needs to not be a biohazard. Boom, cleanish room. Slightly more stable mental health. Now light a candle, eat a snack. Lay dramatically on your now visible floor and think about how far you've come. Subscribe for more chaotic adulting, or don't, but clean your room, please. But